Can I add some extra gravel to a concrete mix? And the short answer is yes, you can do that. And the somewhat longer answer is that adding gravel will bulk up your yield. You'll have more finished product, but you are potentially going to be compromising the finished strength. It's not as severe as adding more sand in that you can add a small amount of extra gravel to a mix and it doesn't substantially reduce the finished strength, the compressive strength of the concrete to a certain point. Past that point, there begins to be a very fast, very sharp decrease in the final compressive strength here. Basically, what I'm saying is that you can add a little bit more gravel, bulk up your yield. The penalties are not too severe, but if you go too far with it, you're very likely to have a problem here. You're just going to have too much aggregate, especially too much large aggregate. So let's say that you understand that you just need to add a little bit and you wanted to know it's not going to be a problem. Yes, you can do it. It's not going to be a problem. I would recommend to you that you take the time to rinse that gravel off first because it's very dusty, it's very dry. And if you put that into a concrete mix, it's probably going to fail to mix in properly and you will probably fail to get a reasonably sound mechanical bond between the cement slurry paste and this new aggregate. You want the slurry paste to absorb into the surface of the aggregate itself. It's part of the process here, and a dry aggregate really doesn't do that. So if you're going to add some more gravel, err on the side of caution. Don't use too much and make sure that you've wet it down first. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to learn a ton about how to work with concrete.